Hello everybody, Charlie Cubes here, and today, I got new lube from Speed Cube Shop. So it just came in, and I'll be unboxing it while I'm doing that. Sorry for not uploading in a while. Just a lot of things come up. I'm taking a little bit of a break from cubing and stuff. You know how that goes. My camera broke, and so yeah, just all the cards fell in line for me to not upload. But this is Solar Lube. Just came in yesterday. It's a limited time thing, and I'm going to be using the Guoguan You Xiao EDM. It's the cube that says EDM in it, so people mean that. So yeah, it's like, this is a gummy lube, and then this is like the least gummy cube I have. So I'll just do a quick little boop, and drop, maybe one more there. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna break it in for a second. Okay, you can probably tell that I haven't been cubing in a while based on that solve in the time lapse. Yeah, I took pretty big of a break, but this cube was super, like, I guess it's not scratchy, but it was very gear feeling. Like, it felt like it had a lot of gears and metal in it and stuff. Like, not like actually, but it's like it was a dry feeling. And then I put in Solar Lube, which I think is now, the limited time thing is over, but you can probably still find some on like eBay or Amazon. So solar, put in 4 drops. It says on the bottle 4 drops. There you go, 4 drops. Then you break it in, and then enjoy. So yeah, that is Solar Lube. It does. It's really easy to apply, is what I'm trying to say. It is definitely gummy. Like, I can compare it almost to my GAN 354M. It kind of almost has that kind of feel. It's not as fast as this cube, but you know, it's just a different kind of cube. And so yeah. Okay, so that lube is really pretty cool. And I mean, I would recommend, even though it's probably out of its limited time phase thing, you could probably still find it on like eBay or Amazon or something. So yeah, that's Solar Lube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. Try to be uploading more often, and the things that I said in the comments, where it's like, subscribe or I'll take your cookies, I was brought to the attention by one of my followers on Instagram, at Charlie_Cubes_YT. Just gonna put that in the description. And I was brought to my attention that I did not come up with that, and apparently, somehow, out of my knowledge, Mr. Beast says that of all YouTubers. So I'll have to come up with a new, like, kind of my thing. So tell me in the comments what that should be. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more unboxings on lubes and cubes, or maybe even, like, I might start doing some other videos too. Then make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on so you see when I upload, because even though I don't do it that often, yeah, you'll want to be excited when you get there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the flip side.